Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your faux locs crochet braids from scratch, and I'm also going to show you guys how to install and how to style it. But before we get started, if you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, what are you guys waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button down below, and do not also forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, to achieve this style, the first thing you need is a hanger. This will help to form the loop of the crochet braid. Any color braiding hair of your choice. In this video, I choose to use xpression braiding hair. A kinky crochet braiding hair. For this video, I am using the aftress afro kinky bulk in 24 inches. A flat iron and a damp towel. So guys, the first thing you need to do is cut your braiding hair into the desired length and stretch it. If you don't know how to stretch your braiding hair, I have a video on that, and you can find a link to that video on the right hand corner of this video. After stretching the hair, you get a desired length of the braiding hair. It is really up to you what size of braiding hair you want, if you want it bigger or smaller. After that, you start twisting the hair in the middle, and then you place the twisted part on the hook of the hanger to form the loop. And once you've had a good grip of the braiding hair, you get a desired size of the kinky crochet hair and start wrapping it around the braiding hair. Try not to wrap the braiding hair too tightly. I'll reveal the reason why I said this soon enough. So continue wrapping the hair until you get to the bottom. While you're wrapping the hair, if you run out of kinky crochet braiding hair, you can take another crochet braiding hair and continue wrapping until you get to the bottom. After that, you get your damp towel and place the faux locs in the middle, and then you set your flat iron to the highest heat and start ironing the faux locs from the damp towel. This will help to seal the faux locs. Make sure that the towel is not dripping with water. You will know that your towel is damp enough from the steam that is being released from the flat iron while you're ironing the locs. After doing this, make sure that you use the flat iron to seal the ends of the locs without the towel. What I mean is, you remove the locs from the towel and you use the hot iron to burn the ends of the locs. I didn't do this in this video, but then I found out the hard way that if you don't do this step after installing the locs, with time, the locs will start to unravel from the ends. So once you're done sealing the ends of the locs, you get your hairbrush and then you start brushing the locs slightly to give it that edgy, rough look. So guys, I went ahead off camera to repeat these steps until I was able to get 70 roots of these faux locks. So to install these faux locks, I braided my hair in different patterns. I did individual braids at the sides, at the back and in front of my hair, and then I did cornrows in the middle of my hair. One thing to note is that while you're doing the individual braids at the sides, in front and at the back of your hair, you must make sure that you do not do it tightly, because it's going to be more difficult when you're trying to do your individual crochet install. So try not to braid your hair too tightly, especially the individual braids. So guys, after braiding my hair, I went ahead off camera to crochet the locks into my hair, and then I left this one in front so that I can show you guys how I did the individual crochet install. So guys, you get your crochet pin and then you put it through the roots of your braids, and then you open the lash hooks and place the loop of the locks into the hook. You close the lash hook and pull the locks through the roots of the braid, and then you remove the pin and put the ends of the locks through the loop to secure the locks. And then you place the pin into the locks till you get close to the roots, as you can see, and then you place the braided hair into the lash hook and pull it through into the locks, and then you keep doing this till your hair is completely inside the locks. The reason I initially said that you shouldn't wrap too tightly while doing the locks in the beginning is because if the locks is too tight, you won't be able to put the crochet pin into the locks to do the individual crochet install. So guys, once you're done with this, Then you can style this hair any way you want, anyhow you want. And here's just a clip of the different styles that you can do with this faux locks. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial, and if you guys found this video helpful, please go ahead and like this video. Do not also forget to leave your comments in the comment section below, and also share this video with your friends and family so that I can get more views. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.